Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through how to configure work templates in Matidor. Matidor offers several types of templates, but today we'll focus specifically on work templates, which define how work tickets behave in your projects. The template fields themselves work the same way as project templates, so if you're unsure how to configure fields, be sure to check out the project template tutorial. Where things differ is in the template settings section. Here, you can control which system fields are enabled for the work. You can enable or disable system fields. This allows you to simplify the work form and include only the information your team needs. For start date and due date, you can also configure email reminders. Simply set the number of days before the date, and Matidor will automatically send a reminder notification. Some settings affect how work behaves. For example, when status is enabled, users can move work from open to closed. If it's disabled, all work created from this template will automatically be set to closed, with no option to change it. If require approval is enabled, contributors won't be able to close the work directly. Instead, they can send it for approval, and the project manager will receive an email notification to approve or reject the request. Work templates also support predefined subtasks. When the work is created, these subtasks appear automatically, and you can mark them as blockers, meaning they must be completed before the work can be closed. Once created, users can assign the subtasks to different users. Enabling location converts the work into a Geo Work, requiring users to place the predefined drawing on the map before completing the form. This also unlocks additional options, like Store LSD Location, which records the legal subdivision location, and Dynamic Style, which automatically updates drawing styles based on a selected drop-down field. The drop-down field can be a system or custom field within the work template. Once a drawing style has been defined, the user won't be able to change it. Color and size will remain editable, allowing the user a different one per drop-down option. And that's how you configure work templates in Matidor, helping your team standardize workflows and streamline project tracking. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more, and hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next.